Hello everybody, it's Tim. How you doing today? I'm going to do a swiper. I'm going to start off with some white here. And then some light blue. A little bit of black. Some purple. A little bit of yellow. My metallic green. Look at that big bubble in that thing. Don't want too much. And my activator. I hope. Put a little bit of this on there. Alrighty. Let's see if this will work. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Yay! Woohoo! Oh, my kitty cat wants me. Okay. Now that's good. I don't know why I can't get it to work on my other things. Ooh-wee. That really brought out some colors. Oh, that's going to be nice. That's going to be real nice. Get some negative space there. Nice. Look at those colors. And that's pretty cool. That one's doable. Yeah, I like it. This is on a tile. This is a 6x6 tile. I really like working with the tiles. And they seem to turn out pretty good. I have no complaints. I like that. Let's give that a shot of some heat. Just to pop the bubbles. Got nice cell activity. Really good here. I like that. I like that. Alright, let's take you in for a close-up. Here we go. Oh, I like that purple. Look at that. Whew. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this short one. And I'll catch you on the other side. Please subscribe, like, give me a comment. Really helps with the channel. Okay, thank you, and God bless.